In this video, I wanted to talk about adding and subtracting complex numbers, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is set the real parts with each other and set up the imaginary parts with each other. So, like I've said before in previous videos, the real part is going to be in red and the imaginary part is going to be in blue. And keep in mind that the real part is always by itself, while the imaginary part is always connected to the eye. All right, let's get started. So what I want to do here is I want to add these two complex numbers. And you know it's a complex number when you have a real part and an imaginary part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 3 and the 4 together since they're in red, and I'm going to add the 2 and the -6 together because those are in blue. So let me go ahead and get my marker and we'll see what happens. So I do the 3 plus 4. That's going to give me 7. And when I do the 2 plus -6, that's going to give me -4. And of course, I always attach the I to the imaginary part like this. Okay? So that is adding complex numbers. But now I want to try subtracting complex numbers. Let's take a look at that. So right here, what we have to do is we have to put the real parts together and we have to put the imaginary parts together. The only difference this time is that we're subtracting instead of adding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this -3 with this 1 by doing -3 minus 1. And that's going to give me -4. All right. So now all we have to do is put the imaginary parts together. We're doing 4 minus 2. And that is just 2. And of course, I always put the I next to the imaginary part. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for future videos, and have a good day.